How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the vlog. I got Nicholas with me today.
Over here. Yeah, we're gonna catch some fish. We're gonna slay some big old browns.
We are hopefully gonna catch some browns today. We're gonna go meet up with Dalton. That's what we're gonna do today. We got a little travel time. I think we're gonna drag some dirty little nymphs today. Of course, I got them balanced leeches on deck as well. So I'm sure we're gonna toss some of those. But yeah, we're gonna get to it, chill out this car ride, and catch some fish for y'all. I'm so happy to be back. Look who it is. Little Dougie Fresh. Little Sweaty Yeti. Little Cheese Walrus.
What's up, bud?
Hey-o.
How you doing?
How you doing? Look at that crispy water.
Don't know what CFS it is.
She do be looking nice though.
Oh, there's fish bait.
Hell yeah. Okie dokie. It is time to rig up. Got to get on me waiters. I think I'm gonna, I don't know what I want to do yet. Maybe toss streamers, maybe toss nymphs. Those are my choices here. Choices, folks. I'll toss a streamer first. I know it's probably what you guys want. But if it doesn't produce, I'm fucking slapping on nymphs fast as shit. Okay. Let's do it. Alright guys, this is what I'm running. Little San Juan down below. And a little kind of...
Oh, you gotta show them that you're cheating, Trent?
Yeah, I mean, I don't
show them that.
I don't really give a f***, Nick. I know I just said that I was gonna run streamers, but I guess I lied. I mean, essentially. They're just not, I mean, it's like a streamer with the strike indicator that you just drag.
You still feel it.
Yeah.
When you set the hook.
Yeah, the fish still eat it.
Yeah.
You know? We're not out here snagging fish. We're not out here pegging eggs. Alright. Well, are you ready, Nick? Leak and dab. So, okay guys, well, guess I'll chill out here because I got some time.
Step on that for me, please. Oh no.
It's a broken rod.
Oh no. Nick, you peed on yourself a little bit,
just
buddy.
A little bit. It's a little windy. It blows it around, dribbles around a bit.
That builds character.
Exactly. Just builds character to the waiters.
Yeah.
I mean, they got enough character as is because they sit in the bed of my truck.
You just want other dogs to know that they're his waiters.
Yeah, exactly. I marked these as mine.
thing.
This is my property. See this? This is mine. I marked it.
It's gonna be right next to your face too.
Yeah, that's okay. It's clean. It's sanitary.
Yeah, pee is sterile.
Yeah. I don't have any diseases.
That we know of.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, maybe it's got one that itch, not green.
Burn when I pee?
My doctor has no fucking
He's never heard of it before.
He's like, what?
The weird thing is, he has the same exact issues.
Alright guys.
Okay, dab time, Trent.
Alright, let her rip. Okay guys. I'm just gonna sit here and wait for them to be done.
This is a nice little windbreak right here.
See you when I hit the water. I'm just gonna power on the GoPro. I don't fish enough when I don't have the GoPro going. And I worry about the big camera, I don't fish at all. GoPro on kind of alleviates that a little bit. Let's do it. That's when I was in a kid and I was real-missing a third in the fastest current and catching fish. Yeah. Do you think it's okay? I have weight on this and I have weight on that. All the water was fishing slow. Come on, Nicky. Come on, Nick. Come on, Nick. Let's go, buddy. Wanna go for a ride? Should I, drag one of those trout? Trout? Okay. Yes. Oh, that's a nice one, dude.
We could find a porch to hold us where we could all scream childers, drink the shit that kills us until we all remember who it was when we were younger, before the world took our pride when we were walking in straight lines, trying to find who's good to drive.
What'd it take? A little squirmy wormy? Yes, sir. Very nice.
Let's see that
And
little,
I've had
that
so
little chunk
many
of butter.
evenings the way I felt I can't recall. Was I jumping from the rafters when my buddies broke my fall? By the end of the night we'd be flying or crying, talking about the times that we spent living towards dying. So don't stop running, boy, but don't be naive. Cause this world will burn and break you worse than hearts like ours believe. Don't stop dancing, girl, till it feels right. Cause we'll be flying, crying by the end of the night.
Alright.
Alright, Trent. First hookup of the day.
Yeah. I was freaking getting skunked all day.
You always snuck up in my
That's a
front seat
freaking
with some
slap,
reasons
dude.
of your own. Trying to get a plainsman drunk and all alone. But don't you go falling for and don't you go believing
Photos of this
a
guy.
boy with
Yeah.
calloused
I mean, look at that
hands
fish,
with a
dude.
mind set on leaving. All the moments that we've been through, all the memories we've made, I don't think God be willing to come down here and save some heathens from the flatlands who only bitch and moan. But if I'm going down, at least I'm not going down alone. So don't stop running, boy, but don't be naive. Because this world will break and burn you worse than hearts like ours believe. Don't stop dancing, girl, till it feels right. Cause we'll be flying or crying by the end of the night.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm an old man now.
Oh my God,
Some
Nicholas!
folks don't pay me no mind.
Go take a look at
Holy
this one.
shit!
But in my day, I sure was something. Before I felt the heavy hand of time. I'm an old man now, bound for glory. Time to lay these burdens down. Had enough of this old world worry. Gonna trade my troubles for a crown. I will make my way across the fields of cotton. And way through mud.
Hell yeah, Dalton. Got that big rip. You? Skizzer? Yes, sir.
And in my dreams,
He's cracked. He's cracked. Yeah, you're cracked, Dalton. Show us that. Oh my goodness. Look at the belly on that guy. Oh yeah, man. Beautiful. Beautiful.
There we go, we're recording now.
Are we in focus?
Yeah,
Are we in focus?
I'm working on it, Trent.
Oh, mine's starting to look old.
I think we are in focus, yeah.
Focus?
Yeah. There we go.
casting off these earthly chains. Oh, where there's no more
Got him?
pain.
Nice, dude. Oh yeah. He'll jump for us? so
When
snuggled
I
in
reach
here.
the other
Yeah,
side, west where the sun sets.
I think so. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. We absolutely slayed the fish today, so big ups on that one.
Should be good, some good content.
Some good content to be back in the swing of things. So, I should be posting quite a bit more now. I always say that in every single video.
Sorry.
No, I don't even think we fished anything fly project today.
I don't think so.
No.
No, I guess.
That next,
Oh, wait,
guys.
no. We used the net. We used
a fly project
Yeah,
net.
we used a fly project net.
We always
Net
got
everything
that-
in fucking beauty.
That thing on us. We always got some form of
Strapped.
fly project. Disco worm is by fly project. Literally
Yeah.
caught every single fish today on San Juan worms. We'll admit it.
It's
I don't care.
It's a little tricky,
They're worms.
but
They're natural.
They're natural. Yeah, it's a fly.
And they say that it's not a
it's
fly.
made out of organic
Mop fly's the
materials.
same deal. It's still a fly.
Still
Yeah.
a fly.
Flesh fly.
Those are definitely goat. No, those are sheep. I can't tell.
That are buying at us?
Those are sheep.
I don't know. They might be
Those are
goats.
sheep. No, those are sheep.
It's like a cute little shack though.
You got your muck boots on, Dalton?
Alright guys, I think we need some food.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah, we better not.
I don't know what else to say. Dalton's Instagram will be linked down below. Nick, do you want your Instagram down below?
Yeah, sure.
Nick's will be down below. I will also link the Spotify, my Spotify, down below as well. And that'll have all of the music that I use in all of the vlogs. So it's a pretty spicy little playlist. I think the numbers are getting up on that. So
Yeah, it's pretty good.
it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
What are we fishing for and where at?
Next week we're gonna be in Camp Jacka.
Oh, what are we fishing for?
We're gonna fish for some salmon.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're marlin along the way.
Okay, let's do
I
it.
mean, maybe catch a tuna too, maybe a mako. We'll just take a boat across. Maybe we'll get that Coast Guard ship I saw for sale.
I don't want to go after some suckers.
Okay. Bye guys.
Say pike.
I'm an old man